Hello, creative people!
Welcome to our channel. Today, I'm going to show you how to watercolor a pomegranate in a free-form style without using a sketch. If you enjoyed today's topic, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel so you don't miss any new content. All the materials and colors used are listed in the video description. Let's start by getting to know the lines of the pomegranate. To draw a pomegranate, we're going to make a large oval-shaped circle. On the top of this oval circle, we'll draw a princess crown or a jester's hat, whichever you prefer. Below the crown, we'll draw an upside-down triangle. Pomegranates have many small seeds, and they are defined by a membrane. So instead of drawing seed by seed, we're going to draw the membrane. Make the drawing irregular, like 3 crooked triangles, 2 on top and a larger one at the bottom. My pencil is getting short, so I'm going to use this pencil extender or pencil lengthener, which is very useful. You just fit the short pencil in here and we have a longer one. Cool, right? I'm going to darken the lines so you can see the final drawing better. I teach the technique for this and other treats in my book, Watercolor with Flavor, Delicacies Without the Use of a Sketch, where you'll learn to paint treats in simple and fun steps. The book is available on Amazon, but for Prime members and Kindle Unlimited subscribers, it's currently free. Go ahead and grab yours. The link is in the video description. Inside the membranes, we'll place some small circles representing the seeds. Now that we know the basic shape of the pomegranate, let's start painting. I'm going to use the colors in a very fluid way. We'll start with azo yellow medium, well diluted, and create the basic shape, that slightly oval circle with the crown. While the background is still wet on wet, we'll add some scarlet near the edges so the colors blend smoothly. Clean your brush with water and soften the edges. With a finer tipped brush, add more scarlet, slightly more concentrated this time. In the crown area, we'll add a bit of sap green and let the paint expand into the triangle area below the crown. Now that the paper is dry, again, we reinforce the fruit's rind.
Using the same color, let's outline the membranes. Now that the membranes are outlined, let's create the seeds. To do this, we'll paint several small circles using a watercolor technique. For some of the circles, we'll fill in the background. For others, we'll paint only the outer outline. We'll wait for them to dry, then move on to the third layer. Once again, we'll reinforce the fruit's rind.
Now we mix scarlet with sap green and apply this mixture very thinly to the edge of the pomegranate skin. We'll also use a bit of this mix in some areas of the crown. Add a touch of burnt umber to the crown as well. Now let's reinforce the seeds using the scarlet pigment. In addition to watercolor with flavor, delicacies without the use of a sketch, I've also written watercolor flowers without the use of a sketch, where I teach how to draw and paint beautiful flowers simply. Nature, watercolor, and drawing step by step. In this book, I teach how to paint natural elements like trees, rocks, trunks, and bushes. Take advantage. They are still free for Prime and Kindle Unlimited subscribers. The link to get your copy is below in the description. This is a lovely way for us to stay connected and for you to support this channel. Once it's dry, we can apply a bit of white acrylic paint or a white gel pen to the seeds to highlight the shine. And we're done! If you liked this tutorial, don't forget to leave some love in the comments and tell me which other fruit you'd love to learn how to paint. And of course, subscribe to the channel so we can keep creating together. If you have any questions or suggestions, leave them in the comments. See you next time, and thank you for watching until the end.
Enjoy! They're still free for Prime and Kindle Unlimited subscribers.